She play with every dog like this.
After their bye week, he will host the Colts and then take on the Reds.
That nigga just like showing his fucking teeth and shit.
You got it, dude.
Damn, dog.
Welcome to Countdown Daily, presented by IBM. With Jim Hasselman, I'm Jenny Dow. The backup quarterback position is filled.
I'm John Clayton for Countdown Daily, presented by IBM, and here's my AFC West huddle. The Pittsburgh Chargers will get Vincent Jackson back at least 8 lines this week, but probably not too much to buy. Remember, he still has to serve 3 more weeks on the roster exemption once he shows up. The plan for Jackson, who has been holding out, is to show up Friday. But he's going to show up after practice. It's going to be another sign of protest for the holdout that has just seemingly gone on forever, and Jackson is still not happy about it. At least by showing up, he will become a free agent, theoretically, after the season, something that he wants to do to try to get out of there, and something that team seems to be pretty comfortable with. They sure need Jackson, though, because you can see the receiving cords are down. Leggett is out, but he may be back.
That nigga's going at it, man.
And Antonio is struggling with that toe injury.
I'm surprised Big Dog ain't fucking screaming and shit.
But maybe
Always fucking screaming.
Unfortunately, it won't be this week. In Denver, Lawrence Maroney was scratched, and I was a little bit curious because, they traded a 4th round pick to try to bring him in.
I'm saying, like, he could.
Yeah, but your dog lazy. Your dog lazy is a bitch.
Yeah, he's tearing his goddamn neck off. He can't breathe.
Probably good that they went over to London, though, to play San Francisco, because so many critics right now of Josh McDaniels.
Alright, you keep on letting him do this, you gonna kill Nick Dog up in here. Guess who's gonna be cleaning it up? And then he said, guess who's gonna be cleaning it up? Who pinky ass, ain't it?
Continues to show that maybe he's on the right track, and that's going to be a big thing for Matt Castle. He needs that big target.
Get her ass, Chaos. Get her, Chaos. Get her. Get her. Get her, Chaos. Get her.
You know that Castle was in the victory over Jacksonville, but he was able to get 6 plays out of those completions.
That nigga clumsy as a bitch. Look at him. She got him again.
In a good position right now to try to win the AFC West. Oakland's not conceding the West, particularly now they're starting to get a little bit hot on offense.
He could have been there, didn't get him, nigga.
He gonna be trained. Probably 70% with his hamstring injury. But to get the 4 touchdowns in that game against Denver was huge, particularly to knowing the offensive line isn't that great. McFadden is a big playmaker. Eventually, they're going to get quarterback. But I thought it was encouraging that Jason Campbell was able to manage the game where they were able to put up a lot of points. For the Raiders, they're 3-4.
That nigga just walking around and
She all outrageous and dramatic with it and shit. This nigga trying to play and shit. She all like, let me be the toughest. Yeah. I'll go to that AFC West huddle. So we just finished watching it.
This nigga still. Yeah, 2 now.
Anything with Raiders and shit?
I'm John Clayton from Countdown, presented by IBM, and here's my AFC North huddle. The big story on Tuesday and early this week.
They're not showing shit that I want to see, though.
Which knocked him out for the season.
They're just talking about a whole bunch of other